Welcome back to another video, you guys. Today we're gonna put extended sides on the top of this trailer behind me. We already cut the aluminum tubes and made the rectangular frames to fit, slide right into these uprights on top of the trailer. So what we used to build the frames are our aluminum L-tube and the two-way joints. If you are interested in trying out any of these parts for yourself or looking at any other projects that we have done, you can go to moxitec.com. I will link the website in the description below, so go check it out. So now we are going to go ahead and screw the aluminum powder-coated black panels to those frames, and then we'll go ahead and slide them into the top of the trailer. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any ideas for future projects or future videos, let us know in the comment section below. See you guys next time. Bye.